friends, welcome to my channel Tech Take Easy. It's me Abdullah Ehtisham, and in this video we will be going through font group in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start our video. First of all, you can see that I have Excel open and I am in the home tab. I am using the Excel 2019 version I told you earlier. So here you can see this mini section is called the font section. I am highlighting this part. This is the font section. We will discuss in this font section in detail in this video. So let's start our video, guys. First of all, you can see that I have written the sample text here. So we will apply changes to this text, this sample text. Okay, the font group in Excel is used to customize your Excel layout or customize your Excel sheets or workbooks. It gives you the beauty. It gives the beauty of your Excel sheet. So in this video we are going to learn the same thing, how to customize your workbook in Excel or how to customize text in Excel. So let's start our video, guys. Coming to the topic, we can see first of we will see all of its parts step by step. So first of all, you can see this is the font section. The highlighted area is the font section. We can change the font from here. We can simply write the font name here or click on the drop down list and then select the fonts. Now you will see when I hover the text, the background my text, the font of my text gets changed. Okay, you can see it clearly. I hope you are understanding it, guys. So let me select this text, this font. Okay, now you can see that the font of my text has been changed. If you want to see how to change the default font and font size of your Excel spreadsheet, that when you open a new workbook, the font and the font size you implemented remains the same. So you can watch the video in description. The link will be provided in the description box, or you will find the video on I button. So now the next step we are going to see is the font size. Okay, this mini section is the font size. This mini part, you can see the drop down list here. When we click the drop down list, they will show the numbers. Okay, here the size is based on numbers. Like you can see, as I increase the numbers, the size becomes greater, and as I decrease the numbers, the size becomes smaller. Okay, by custom it is by default it is on the 11. You can change it to according to your need. So let me select the 14. Now this is fine and visible to you. So we have covered the size section. Now let's move to the two other options in Excel, two mini options in Excel. You can see these two mini options. Let me separate it with green color. Yeah, you can see these two sections, mini sections in Excel. So let us see how do they work. So you can see these are two little sections in Excel. On the first option, you can see that there is arrow above A. There is an arrow above A. This mini arrow above A. So as a direction of the arrow is upwards, it means that it will decrease the size and the other one will it will increase the size and the other one will decrease it. So let's check it practically. When I click on it, the size becomes the size of my text. Let me select the text. Now as I click on it, the size of my text becomes greater, and as I click on the smaller one, the size of my text gets small, or my text gets small. Okay, so now we have completely covered the options for increasing and decreasing the size of our text. So now we will move to the bold function. So you can see the next function here in Excel we will be going through is the bold one. This is the highlighted area. So it is shown as the B here. Let me select it, the B, as you will. Let me first change the font to Calibri, which is the default font. You can see here in the themes font you will find Calibri. You can click on it. Now you will hopefully see the changes. Now let me select the bold. As I click on bold, my text gets bold, and to undo, if you want to undo it, just click it again. So there is a very important and easy shortcut to make your Excel work easier. You can bold your text by a simple method by clicking Ctrl plus B. As you click Ctrl plus B, it gets unbold and rebold again. So I hope that you have learned this bold function. So moving towards our italics function, you can see here in the highlighted area the italics function. Okay, let's check how does it works. So I have selected my text and then I click on italics. You can see that italics has been applied to my text. Okay, italics also has a shortcut which makes your Excel work very easier. If you want to see the shortcuts on Excel, I have also uploaded a video on 10 most important shortcuts in Excel, so you can watch it later. The link will be in description box, guys. So the shortcut for the italics is Ctrl plus I. Ctrl plus I. So you can see I am changing it to italics and then undo it. So the next option we are going to cover is the underline. So basically, first of all, you need to know that there are two types of underline. One is a single underline and the other one is double underline. So you can see here closer to the underline, you can see this is the underline, and here you can see another thing, this little drop down arrow. I hope yet you can see it and understand it clearly. So let me select first, underline it. As I click on under U, it gets underlined. Underline also has a shortcut Ctrl plus U. Ctrl plus U for underline. Okay, so this is a simple underline. If you want to do double underline, just click on the drop down list and then select the double underline. Now you can see that these are now double underline. So now the next thing, the most important part of our Excel is used to customize our text. So these are the two most important and my favorite options in Excel are these two little ones. So here these are, one is a little basket you can see, and this is a text color. As you will click on this basket icon, it will apply the background color for your text. And the second option is to change the color of your text. So let's check these two options one by one. So first of all, I am going to select fill the background color. So you can see that here is a little drop down list. As you will click on it, a drop down list will open. So this is a dialog box to change the color of your text. You can see the recommendations here. You can select your color. Let me select the green one. Now you can see that background color has been applied to my text. If you want to remove the background color, what you will do? Just click on the drop down list and then you will find the option no fill. As you will click on no fill, the background for your text will be removed. Okay. Now if you want to add a custom color to your Excel, to the background of your cell, just click on more colors. You will find the option custom here. You can put the color code here and you can select the standard colors from here. So this is fine in my case, for my case. So the next one we are going to see is how to change the color of text. So let me select this option. I will click on the drop down list and select the white color from here. You can see as I hover the color of my text gets changed. So purple looks pretty good on green. So let me select this one. So yeah, you can see that the color of my text has been changed. So sorry, but I have skipped one option here, which is the borders option. So we will be now our last option, not the least. We are going to learn the borders, how to apply borders to your cell. By default, I want to tell you that the borders you're probably seeing here are not the actual borders. When you take your file for the printing, this is a shortcut for print, Ctrl plus P. As you click on it, you can see now our file is ready to print and there are no borders here. These borders are imaginary. They are only to help you. So if you want to apply the borders to your table or your cell or to your cell, so you have to apply them manually. So to apply the borders, we will click on this option. Here you will find a drop down list. Now you can see a long list has been opened and there are different type of borders. So the one I like is a thick outside border. When you click on it, you can see that the border has been applied to our text, and if I take it now for the printing, I click on Ctrl plus P and you can see that here is a little border around our text. So let's apply the border to a range of cells, then you will understand it better. So now first of all we will apply all borders, and then let me select for the thick outside border. Now we will take our file for printing. As I click on Ctrl P, you can see now borders have been applied to our sheet. So this is how you can apply the borders to your text. Let me remove the borders for now. You can also draw your borders. You can see these options: draw border, grid. Yeah, you can search these options yourself. So these are very easy options: raise border or line color. You want to change the color of your border. So I hope you have learned how to apply borders, how to change the color of text, how to change the background color, how to make text bold, underline, double underline, how to make text italics, how to change the font, how to change font size. So this is all in the font group. So for the bonus, I'm going to tell you how you can remove the grid lines, the imaginary grid lines in your spreadsheet. So to do this, you have to simply go to the view tab. This is a bonus trick for you. So go to the view tab and there you will find an option grid lines. In the short section you will find grid lines. So this is the grid lines we are seeing right now. As I uncheck this, you can see that these grid lines, which are imaginary borders, have been disappeared. So this is how you can remove the grid line. This was the bonus part of our video. So I hope you liked my video. Share my videos with other people, subscribe my channel, like my videos. I see you in the next video, guys.